Alright, so I took a video within the last 3 days finally. I think I took it July 8th. Today is July the 11th or 12th. And it's quiet out here. It's about 8:20. But I saw something, so I want to show you. First, just a variety of poppy. I have a red one I'll try to get on maybe. It closes up during the night, I guess, and then it opens during the day. So this is a yellowish orange. And I have a red one, but I just noticed, I don't know if I said it last video, but there's some celery that's stalked down there is going to be able to eat, but the next one over here is flowering, which is cool. And then over here, this year, this is the hollyhock I spoke of in that video. And so maybe within the last 3 days, boom, they're opening. And they don't last too long, especially if there's wind, but they're awesome. So I want to get them now. And like I said in that video, last year the plant was about that tall. So now this year it's about 5 foot. And then the other one was barely even a plant, and it did have a flower on it. I think that was white last year over there and pink here. Now there's one over there, but it's having trouble growing this year because I think because of the giant lupine that's massive over there, or lupine, that wasn't that big last year and it didn't flower. So that one was like a pink one over there as well. And so last year, this one was like peach. I don't know if it was because of the weather or because of whatever. I don't think they can change their color, but you can see this is more pink this year than peach. And I'll show you a couple different things here. So last night they weren't even like this. So last night it was like that thing was closed up. Like, see this guy right here? It was just popping open. So within 24 hours it's doing this. And last year there was only one on the whole plant. This year they're everywhere. So let me just show you real quick there. So they're just coming everywhere, and I guess it's going to continue to grow and grow and grow. So that's awesome. But I'll show you this real quick. See if my video, focuses enough. So that's what it looks like. But then they become really, really paper thin. So over here, this one's opened up over here. God, how beautiful that is. And then this is a direct one here. Now, I sent a picture to my mother last year. I'll take a picture again. But last year these weren't in the way, like these branches weren't in the way. So let's see if it works on video. It's hard to get still. Ah, dang it. So when it opens up fuller, maybe the other one will show it. It looks like a glow inside, like that whitish yellow behind there. Looks like this awesome, awesome glow. Maybe I can get a picture again like last year. And then over here, let me see if I can see it on this side. Yeah, see, I can see it with the, oh, there you go. You can see it on the camera now. Hold on. It literally looks like it's glowing, like the sun. Oh, wait, there you go. Now, I don't know what kind of bees or whatever pollinate this, but man, that thing's awesome. And I can't remember if they smell. Now, hold on one second. So last year, they were actually thinner last year. So you can see there's all these ruffles. Last year, it was just one. It was just like one paper thin thing. And maybe that's why it didn't last that long. Maybe this year it's just healthier and bigger, and in year 2 it grows like that. I don't know. But is that awesome? Let me put the camera on pause and see. I'll show you back, like a little bit backwards here. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Okay, so it has a slight smell, and it smells pretty. But and why I got you on camera here, I remember when I made a video of this about a month ago, I didn't really smell anything, but once they bloomed, and it's really strange because you see the color change is so awesome. So like, here you go, one's just starting to open, and you can see the one side doesn't even have the same size flowers yet, petals, and then look at that guy right there. And then you can see this guy and this guy. But yeah, they do have a nice little smell, a florally smell. I think what happens once they grew more and it got a little bit more humid, and I soaked them, that I think that they that's what maybe made them smell. Look at this little mothy guy with his big eye. Come on, camera, zoom. It's so awesome. I mean, focus. Boy, I have a real hard time with bugs. Everything, and cans when I'm making food or something, or bottles to show you the recipes. Everything in the background focus is so nice. Alright, so anyway, I want to make this video short and show you the beauty of those guys, man. And just another awesomeness. like sort of like the poppy, but like a rose at the same time, and that stunning glow is just so awesome. Now I got to look into this and see if when they die, if you can snip them, if they'll regrow or not. I'm not sure if they will. Kind of grows like a sunflower. This is exactly how a sunflower starts flowering as well. And it's going to get even taller because look at this. Wham! How awesome is that? All right, so yeah, so that's an awesome one, and hopefully there'll be a peach or a white or a red on that side. And some of the poppies, they just don't take good to heat or the wind. They say they're good in drought poppies, but you see it has the same kind of poppiness, that like papery type feeling, where it's not as thick and strong as this guy, like papery. But they're really good to the garden, the colors, and I'm so excited that I get that on film. All right, so I just want to share that with you, and I'll let you know in the descriptions in case anybody's interested in ever growing them. If you can deadhead them and make them come back, we'll find out. And again, I planted that last year and it was about a third of the size, and this year it's just 5 feet tall now. And I was a little bit depressed last year because a lot of them only stayed around a foot. Those two that you see now were about 1.5 feet, maybe 2 foot. So now that they're going into their 5 to 6 foot range is awesome, and those flowers are just great. I love you guys. Bye.